Hi guys, this is my Jacobson Snowblower one-stage snowblower. This one's in fairly decent condition. The paddles on there, pretty good. Scraper bar could be worse, but it's been sitting for a while. See if it's got any gas. Yeah, it's got gas in there. I don't know if you can tell or not. But I picked this one up for cheap and rebuilt the carburetor on it, but it has been sitting for a while. So I have a feeling, I doubt that it'll start, but you never know. I'll probably adjust it while it's running, but let's see if I can get it going. God, if they made it any further down there. Have to get an extra long screwdriver. Steal the key. This doesn't even have a primer on it. That's how it was made, so prime it this way, I guess. Started easier than I thought it would. Way down in there is your carburetor access. You can't tell. But I gotta put the plastic piece back over there because people think it's got a hole in it, but those are all my running snowblowers. Along with this one. And then all my other junk parts, S200, S620, Jacobson snowburst that I have to get running. Snowburst that I also have to get running. Awesome picture. Parts Jacobson. Parts lawnmower. Good lawnmower, that's a Toro. But 140 watt speakers. I love these things. But that's everything. This has been my Jacobson Snowburst.